Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cicely's Natural. Today I'm going to be reviewing Aloe Black products. I've been using their products for a few weeks now and have been getting great results in bomb definition. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I achieved that bomb definition and shine doing a twist out. So keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with shampooing. I always do my hairstyles on freshly washed hair just so I don't have any buildup or anything on my scalp and I can get the best results. I'm going to be shampooing with their aloe shampoo milk, and I really like this shampoo a lot. It cleans my scalp so well, but it wasn't drying or didn't strip my hair or anything. It made my scalp feel so refreshing. It actually made my hair feel so soft to where I could run my fingers right through my hair. So next, of course, I'm going to be deep conditioning. You want to always follow up with a deep conditioner after shampooing to put all the moisture back into your hair. So I'm going to be using their aloe, cucumber, and green tea deep conditioner, which smells so amazing. Oh my gosh. It was so moisturizing and made my hair feel so extremely soft and manageable. This is what my hair looks like after I rinsed it out. And it just looks really moisturized. I really like this a whole lot. Okay, so now for the twist out, we're just going to be using their leave-in conditioner twisting cream. And it smells so good, just like the other products. So I like to just start off by sectioning my hair off into sections because as you can see, I have really thick hair and it's much easier to work with in sections. So if you have thick hair like me, try doing that. For the back of my hair, I don't do straight down the middle because I hate that middle part. That's hard to get out once you take out your twist outs or braid outs. So I part horizontally. Okay, so now I'm just going to start with this section first. It's still pretty wet, but some spots have dried some. And I love doing my hair on super damp hair because I get the most definition that way. So I'm just going to apply some more water with my spray bottle. Oops. Now I'm going to grab some of their leave-in conditioner twisting cream and apply it all over the whole entire section so that my hair does not get dried out or anything like that. It's really thick and creamy. I'm just going through each little section, adding some of that cream just so my hair does not get dried out. While I'm working on this section, I don't want this to get, dried out and stuff. It's got some moisturizer on it, so, it'll still look good. Once my hair dries, girl, ain't no parting, ain't no combing, ain't no doing nothing with it. So hard to work through it. But. So now that I've added that, I'm going to go back to this section. For my twist, I don't care about it being perfect or anything, perfect parts. So I'm gonna grab a section about this size. I'm gonna grab some more of my hair cream, add it to my hair. I'm gonna add my Jamaican black castor oil. This is what I'm gonna be using for my oil, but you can use coconut oil or jojoba oil, whatever is your favorite. A small amount, oops. Just a small amount. Just so it'll give my hair lots of shine and moisture and all of that. Brush it all through just to make sure it's all nice and smooth. Okay, so then I'm just going to twist. So this is what it looks like once it's done. It looks really shiny and my ends are nicely coiled. So yeah. And also to help your hair dry a little bit faster, I like to just go through the twist after I'm done and kind of pull off some of that excess stuff, and I'll just like add it to the other section so it don't go to waste. But yeah, you can kind of pull some of that off so that your hair can dry a lot faster. Okay, so I just finished all of my twists, and I have about 25 twists in my head. It took me a total of maybe 30 minutes, and they feel really good and moisturized, and yeah, girl. So now I'm just gonna grab some more of my Jamaican black castor oil. Just apply that all over my hair because I want my hair to be really, really nice and shiny. Make sure I get my ends real good. So now I'm just gonna just leave my hair and let it be out so that it can dry. And tonight I'm just gonna put a silk scarf on it, and tomorrow I'll show you guys the takedown. Alright, so it's the next day and my hair is all dry. And as you can see, I got a whole lot of shrinkage, but my hair is looking so shiny, and I just already know this twist out gonna be fire. So all I like to do is take a little bit more of that black Jamaican castor oil. I know, you guys, I put oil in my hair like 3-4 times already, but you know, you gotta really add lots of oil if you want that nice shine that I get. A lot of people ask me like, how is your hair so shiny and so moisturized? And that's why I really do make sure I apply lots of oil so it can have that shine, you know, and last over some days. So I'm just gonna apply some oil to my fingertips. When I'm taking down my twist, it helps to prevent less frizz. So you will have less frizz in your hair if you just put some oil on your hair. You know, when you break your twist down, it's gonna slip through much easier. I'm gonna start just taking them down like so. So you can see it has bomb definition. I like to just kind of unravel it the opposite way to kind of see where my hair naturally wants to separate. And I really take my time with this so that I don't cause even more frizz. But honestly, personally, I don't mind too much frizz because I like for my hair to be bigger, you know, that bigger fro that you get on day 3 or day 4. I'll be wanting that on like day 1, so I don't really mind it much, but this is my definition. And the front of my hair is a straighter texture, so that's why it looks like this at the ends. My hair has always been like that at the front, so that's why it's not really coiled up at the ends of my hair. Don't knock me in the comments saying my ends split, because they ain't. Because honey, show your ends. Show them, please. I'm just kidding, y'all. So I just grab whatever pieces are trying to separate by itself, as you can see what I mean. I honestly could separate all day to make this bigger. Just keep working with it until you get the shape that you want, the thickness that you want. I am loving this. So I really hope that you loved this video and that it was helpful to you in some way. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not ever miss any of my uploads. And leave down in the comments, what's your favorite leave-in or hair cream that you use to get lots of definition and shine? Leave it down in the comments so that we can all see. And I love trying out new products, and you know, we all need that bomb definition. So leave it down in the comments so we can all help each other out. Please turn on your notifications if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.